Hello tubers, Mezcal here. I've got two 250 watt, 48 volt, 1000 volt max system panels. So these can handle 1000 volts. Two in series. I'll be somewhere around 100 coming through this MOT. That's the positive side, and check out the arc. This thing's worthy of a welder. There's my welder tip. Put my sunglasses down, and I'm trying not to get belted by this. That's a welder. Thought I might also try some arc in water plasma type of setup, so I'll just pause and see if I can get something happening in this bucket of worm juice here. Lots of cool bacteria from the worms. Okay, I should have some potential for electrolysis here. What's happened? Am I not connected? Okay. No power. Okay, I had a bad connection there on the MOT. I'm getting some bubbles here, so we should be able to get close and start to create a plasma arc. Get things set. Okay, you get there. Ooh. The temperature of the water is not hot enough to sustain an arc, and not salty enough, I'd say. Here we go. Come on. Come on. I'll swap them around and see if I get a better arc the other way. I'm going to warm some of this liquid up and see how I go that way. But at this point I'm calling this video quits. Thanks for watching. If you want to make a welder out of solar panels and a MOT and you need a TIG and you don't have one, that works.